Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing a product to keep me looking young and beautiful. It's Retin-A cream, Tretinoin, 0.025%, and Retin-A is helps with acne, but also helps regenerate skin cells. So it's prescription only, but this stuff works well from used it before. I've been doing some research on our skincare addiction, and everyone recommends using Retin-A. Just mix it in with your nightly moisturizer. So here's what it looks like. I just got this and oh no, it's next year, 2023. Okay. All right, I'm gonna open this, show you all what it looks like. All right, so this is what the package looks like. Then I think I need to puncture this, so I'll do it tonight when I start using this again. Puncture the lid or the top with the other side of the cap. So yeah, apply a little bit each night, keep you looking young, and helps with acne. Great, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you all later. Bye.